Hey Blazers, it's Raven, one of the CAST champions here at UAB. The Department of Physics has launched a new undergraduate certificate designed for all majors. The Data-Driven Modeling Certificate is a program designed to give you the skills to understand and use data in STEM careers. Let's chat with Dr. Kamada to learn more.
Well, our focus in the certificate is to get students ready for the workplace of the future. We train students in AI, machine learning, and data techniques to tackle very large data sets. We do this in a series of courses from very basics to very advanced. And this is very useful in careers dealing with complex relationships between pieces of data. Think about, for example, precision medicine, where you have to link genetic information with actual diseases. Very complicated process. Think about financial institutions, where you have to predict financial risks. Think about actually advertisement, where you have to predict what your customers want to buy. Finally, if you are a STEM major, of course, that applies directly for you. We have students who have gone through this and have gone to work for Boeing, be aircraft design engineers. And finally, in graduate school, these are a set of tools that are actually fantastic when you're going to do your PhD thesis or master's studies.
For more information, fill out the interest form.